Hey guys, I'm coming to you from my vehicle, and I just wanted to upload a quick little video. I wanted to let you know that I am not going to be doing the daily macros anymore. What I plan on doing is every night sitting down recording my daily macros, and then on Friday I will upload a whole week's worth of them, so it'll be in one video, because it's kind of hard for me now that it's getting nicer out and I'm doing more things with the kids and I'm trying to exercise. See, when I get home from work, it's like 5:30 and I have to get dinner ready, kids homework, clean up the house, do all kinds of stuff, and I'm trying to walk Link and just trying to do a lot of stuff. So in order for me to have any free time, I got to cut back on uploading that video every night, because not am I just doing a quick upload. I have to record it, I have to edit it, I have to make a thumbnail, I have upload it, I have to add a description. So it takes a good hour and a half maybe to just do that quick little video. So I love doing it, but with it getting warmer out, I need a little bit more time. And I thought that it might be a little bit more beneficial for people to see a whole week's worth at once. So I'm going to try that out. I hope nobody's like upset about that. And then there's going to be a new video also coming out today. And then what's today? Today's Thursday? No, today's Wednesday. It's my mom's birthday. Happy birthday, mommy. What was I gonna say? Oh, tomorrow, one of my Instagram followers and friends, I think, and she watches me here on YouTube too, Shay, we're going to do a 24-hour fast. So I will be fasting tomorrow. I'm gonna do my best because it was my idea and she's never done a 24-hour fast before. And I decided that I would be a good friend and I would do one with her. Yep. So I'm going to be doing that. So I'm going to upload this here at work. I don't know when it'll go live, but hopefully it won't take long. And now I'm going to eat my lunch and watch YouTube. Bye, guys.